How do air and water rights impact property ownership? Imagine owning a beautiful piece of land by a river or under the open sky. Have you ever wondered what rights come with that land beyond just the dirt and grass? Well, air and water rights are key parts of property ownership that shape what you can do with your land and how valuable it is. From a conservative Republican view, these rights are essential to protecting individual freedom and economic opportunity. Air rights are about the space above your land. If you want to build a tall building or prevent a neighbor from putting up a structure that blocks your view, air rights matter. They give you the legal ability to control the airspace above your property. Protecting these rights means you can decide how your land is used without government telling you what you can or cannot do in the sky above. Water rights are a bit more complex. They determine who can use water from sources like rivers, lakes, or underground aquifers. These rights are often separate from land ownership. For example, in Western states where water is scarce, water rights are usually based on the doctrine of prior appropriation. That means the first person to use water beneficially has a senior right to continue that use. If you own land with water rights, you can irrigate crops or supply water for your home. But if water is shared, your rights could be limited by others who have older or more senior rights. Both air and water rights add value to property because they expand what owners can do. If you own land with water rights, you can grow crops or run a business that depends on water. If you have air rights, you might build taller structures or prevent unwanted development that could harm your property. Limiting these rights or selling them separately can reduce the value of your land and restrict your economic freedom. The government plays a role, but conservatives believe it should be limited. They oppose laws that sell or separate air and water rights from land or impose excessive regulations. If the government takes these rights without fair compensation or due process, it infringes on property owners' freedoms. Local control is also important. Property owners and communities should be the stewards of natural resources, not distant government agencies. This keeps decisions close to those who are most affected. Selling water rights to out-of-state companies or allowing government to seize these rights through eminent domain is seen as harmful. In practical terms, policies should protect private property rights, including air and water rights, as part of land ownership. Regulations should be fair and only used when absolutely necessary. Overlapping jurisdiction or excessive rules can limit what owners can do. Overall, air and water rights define what you can use and control beyond your land. From a conservative perspective, safeguarding these rights is vital to maintaining economic freedom, limiting government overreach, and respecting individual property ownership.